Fat back with another video, man. Today we got the GA in the garage. Yeah, man, in this video, bro, we gotta be doing swapping the doors back to the maroon, to the burgundy doors. You feel me? Yeah, reason bro took the doors off because you got a little, somebody bapped them right there, you feel me? A little dent, but shit. Man, I'd rather have one solid color card than two colors. Nigga, this shit opposite at that. Yeah, man, good stamp, good stamp. But yeah, I already got the doors loose. All it is really just these bolts right here. That plug goes to the whole door harness. And then on this side, you can't even see it, but it's like 2 bolts right there. Another 2 bolts down there. Yeah, finna get to it. Also in this video, later on, after we do the doors, we're gonna be doing the headlights, putting the headlights on. I don't know how we're gonna go about this, to be honest. We probably have to get a new driver's side headlight. But there's one on Facebook right now. I'm gonna see what's up with that. This side, we'll be able to probably rig it up. Cause it still got these tabs. So we'll probably be able to rig it up, no doubt. Yeah, man, finna get to this motherfucker. Good yak, good yak.
Now this is taxes. Instant TurboTax.
Hello, queen. Are you wanting? But here's the problem. An income that is 6 figures, or even close to 6 figures, we've been getting at least 5, 10, if not more, free left. Instead of
See what I'm saying, man? Like, one color looks so much better, gang. It's just a little dent, but ain't nothing too crazy, bro. Like, I ride around with that shit. I ain't worried about that. But I think the whole reason he swapped the doors was because his plan was to wrap it. He was gonna wrap the whole car a different color, and these doors was just, these doors were just, smoother to wrap on, because this shit got the motherfucking dent right here. Yeah, man, got the first door on. Gotta clean it up a little bit though. They've been sitting outside, so I'm about to clean it up and shit. But yeah. Alright, man, we got the door on, man. I cleaned the door pan a little bit, you feel me? Before it had all this dirt and shit, but I cleaned it out, you know what I'm saying? Thanks to big bro, you feel me? Got this good ass interior cleaner. You know, when I used it, but shit, what's up? we up, I'm glad. But yeah, next, I'm finna take this door out. Already got the little E10 out right here. I'm just gonna take these two nuts out, you feel me? Door come right off, but yeah. That's the harness that goes to, whole harness plug up right there. Yeah, finna get to it, boy. We got the whole door off. Next one, finna put this bitch on. That bitch was heavy, twin? Damn, you big as hell. Nah, maybe it's the camera angle. That bit, it was light. It's my welder right here. He finna weld us everything in the future. Alright, finna put this bitch on. Probably gonna swap the door panel onto this one. This one got no door panel. But yeah, finna back at that motherfucker. Doing that, so you're like jerking off in the corner, dude.
Somebody take that nigga phone, man. He acting a plumb damn fool.
Yeah, man. So I'm about to take the door panel off, but it's like this was a I believe it's a T25 right here. You gotta pop that little thing off right here, and then you got a little Phillips head all around it. Yeah, gonna get this bitch off. Yeah, man, I forgot. There's like a bolt right there under the armrest, man. Let me make sure there's no other one. I think that's the only bolt under the armrest. That bit was hidden. But yeah, we got this. We got to that bit now. Yup, that's how we got the GA sitting right now. You feel me? You can see the damage done right there. Well, ain't nothing too crazy. I could ride around with that. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really not that noticeable, but a little way better than the two blue doors. You feel me? But yeah, tomorrow go worry about the headlights. Damn, this cinematic mode doing it up for the front end, no bad. Ooh, that shit look nice. Yeah, we're finna do the headlight tomorrow. Hopefully I can find a burgundy hood. I have the hood scoops for this, but like the vents, it's like it's red, so it's like why would I even throw it on? You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the interior, how far I got interior. For me, I got the door panel in. Yeah, so I took it off, but the one I had was for the passenger side. I was like, damn, all bad. And then also I got this door panel in, this one been in. Looking nice. Just need to vacuum this bitch, no bad. I ain't had time to clean this motherfucker. But yeah, other than that, the window on this door needs a new window regulator. As you see, this bit like off track right here. See how that bit off track? That bit don't even go up. But yeah, we G's. Other than that, we get good yet. Ooh. Oh, that's the thing with this dent. You gotta close that bit all the way. Yeah, good yet. Alright, man. It's next day, bro. Next day. About the headlights. I already put the G8 up to the garage. Shit. Yup, y'all see it. I got this bit in the garage already. Gonna take this bumper off. But shit, I got this fuzz pot right here. Shit, if you Asian, you know what the fuzz pot is. You know what I'm saying? We got good fuzz pot right here. So shit, ain't a bit loud. Shit, ain't got nothing done to this bit yet. Bitch, your water in this bitch. But they boiling water, so shit, I'ma just rip this bitch off. Y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me or nothing, so shit, I'm gonna just rip this bitch off. I'm gonna get back at y'all when we got the headlights on. Man, y'all see it, man. We got the bumper off. The new headlights already looking good. That bitch not mounted on yet. Let me get back out this motherfucker though. Got the bumper sitting right here. And we got a good wood. Finna light this motherfucker up. You did this shit?
I did this shit, bruh.
Yeah, all of this shit.
I'm behind the scenes, bruh.
All of this shit.
Behind the scenes, nigga.
Maybe your fault, nigga. Nah, but baby, we got this bitch on, bruh. This shit literally had on by zip ties. But it's all G's. Fuck it, we thugging. You know how it go. Shit a little wet though. Yeah, you can't, like, bro, like, this shit don't move, man. So, like, fuck it. This shit don't move, so you can't even say nothing. Car heading by zip ties. No doubt. All drip cars heading by zip ties. If you go to the track, you look at track cars, bro, all you can see is zip ties on that shit. I'm telling you. But yeah, man, we about to throw the bumper back on. Gonna get back at y'all, man. Yeah, man, this how we got the G8 sitting now. Got the headlights on. 2 red doors, you know what I'm saying? I like how it looks. They did before, no doubt. I don't care about no dent. I'll rock that shit out, no doubt. Yeah, that bitch look nice. That bitch look wet. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, man. Next thing for the GA, I'm probably trying to get some either some headers or some coils next. One of those two. Let's see what's good. But yeah, man. Y'all tap in, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, come fuck with your boy. Yeah, we out.
We have a great